What's up guys, back with another video on this channel. This is my third channel, so I don't really do this channel too often, but I wanted to go out and since I got some free time to do some stuff to my car and got a new front valance and rear valance on it, I wanted to go ahead and do kind of like a POV video of just kind of like how I do taking photos and kind of going over that process, just because I do like watching those videos. So yeah, we're just gonna go take the E30 out and take some photos of it, because I have to post them on Instagram for stuff I've done to it recently. So this is just going to be a chance for me to go ahead and do that. But yeah, we're using the TT Artisans 10mm right now, 10mm 2.0 F2. So we're using that right now. We also have the Cinnamon Bloom filter on as well, kind of blow out those highlights over here because it is pretty foggy out. So, but yeah, this is basically just going to be one of the first videos I do this. I probably want to do one of these in a couple of days because I'm going to be shooting some video for doing this. But just like I'm doing some cinematic clips for my E30 on my main channel, because I just got some new pieces installed, so I'm going to be shooting like videos for those. So I'm probably going to do a POV part of that, and then I'll just include the edit at the end that's going to be in those videos on the main channel. But like I said, I've never done one of these, but I do like watching these, so I figured I'd might as well go ahead and do one. So yeah, it's a little foggy out as you can see, but we're gonna take the car out and take some photos, and then like I said, in a couple of days we'll probably shoot another one doing like the video part. So after I edit this one, I'll see how the GoPro angle was, and if I don't like the angle, I'll just have to adjust it accordingly. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna get some more videos on this channel, but this isn't going to be a super frequent upload for, I guess, this channel, because this is my third channel, and I obviously have a main channel that I do most of the work on, and then another channel. But just wanted to start this to kind of explore and expand out, doing something different. So if you guys do like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and hope you enjoy watching it. This, like I said, it's my first time. Like I said, this is my first time doing this. So I've done it before for like video, like doing an unboxing or whatever, but I've never actually done photography with it. So starting to sprinkle, but new photos, because I got the front and rear piece on there. So these are just gonna be posted on Instagram, but I wanted to kind of shoot the behind the scenes or whatever. If you guys do want to follow my main channel where I do the E30 build along with other content, but if you guys want to see the E30 build, go ahead and check that out. I'll leave that at the end. Alright, so let's get the car out tomorrow and shoot some reveal photos. Hopefully they come out good, but they're just going to come out how they come out. So alright, let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're at the first location. Just found a nice little sunny part. I am in Indiana, so hopefully you can see everything good. But right now we're using the Gh5 with the Sigma 50mm 1.4 EX DG, which is like an older Canon lens. So yeah, that's what we're using. We're gonna try to get out of the sun. There's a bunch of cars out here. But we're gonna try to get some photos out here in this little field with the corn in the back, because I am in Indiana, like I said. So it makes sense to have some shots in Indiana. We also have the Moment 77mm quarter, or it's a 10% black promise basically filter. Let's see, we'll probably go down to F1.8. This is on a speed booster. So obviously we're going to get some portraits and some portrait photos and some landscape photos. We're also showing off the new front and rear end on the car, so that's what basically I'm going to be focusing on here. When it comes to like this type of photography for the car, it's definitely like my favorite lens to use for my old Canon lenses. Get all these fucking cars out of the way. Surprised people aren't going to try to stop and say, hey, you broken down, you need some help? Figured we get some kind of photos out here in the sun and the corn in the back. But we do need to get the front end. So we'll do a photo over here. I just wanted to be in the sun because I do like doing those type of edits. So we'll get a picture of the fitment in the back on this side with the new valance, or the new rear apron. Let's see, might do one in the front as well. There's hella people here today. I didn't think there'd be this many people. It's kind of crazy, actually. Let's see. Might be able to get a rear shot here with the RD valance and the fitment at the same time. Alright, let's see if I can get... I need to get some other photos like this, but I think I might have to switch over to the 30mm. If you guys do car photography and you guys do have a Gh5, I definitely recommend this lens. It's pretty cheap, it's not too expensive. I think it's like, you can most of the time get it for less than $200. So, you can get the little bit closer shot here on this side. Now it's hard to get a full body shot of the car without me being in the actual shadow of the car, but it's whatever. Let's get the 30mm out, put this other lens away, and we're gonna get some more portrait shots. I just got done using this one for a nice set with my friend the other day, so I think it came out pretty good. But we're also going to throw the same filter on. What this does, obviously, is just blooms the highlights, so gives more of that dreamy effect. This is only the 10%, so it's not too crazy. We're gonna do a high angle. The only thing I personally don't like about this lens is the focus ring is super stiff. We're gonna do one directly behind the car with a low angle. Don't like that sign being there, really. Also, my exhaust is off. Let's see, we might do one more on this front end with the reflection of the sun. We're also going to do a portrait. Let me get one more low with kind of the grass in the foreground. A little bit of close up on the front lip. All right, I think that's it for this location. Go ahead and get a second location, and then that'll probably be it for this video. So we can go ahead and, I think these are the only two lenses I'm going to be using for the little shoot tonight. And also going to do another one of these videos where we do the actual video part of the reveal. All right, so I might split this video into two separate parts, but for now we're just gonna shoot these photos right here. I've shot here, this is my storage unit, but I've shot here plenty of times. I'm gonna wait about another 30 minutes after these, and then this will start, you know, getting all the sunset action going. So we're just gonna take some like low dusk type of shots out here in an industrial setting. So like I said, I've taken shots out here plenty of times, but might as well shoot some more photos here. But yeah, I definitely need those side skirts to be body color instead of black like they are now. I do like the look with the industrial trucks and everything behind it, even though you don't really see them. I don't know if I like this high angle. I don't really like the high angle. I like the lower angles. I'm going to change the white balance to auto white balance warm, just to change it up a little bit. But yeah, I really like the low angle shots like that. Same thing with the front wheel. Let's see. Let's get a look at that front lip. I don't really want to take a photo from this side because missing the rear valve, or we're gonna get some of that background in there so we can get this working up here. We're gonna do one from here as well. Let's see. Probably like this angle. Hopefully you guys can see everything in the camera. This is my very first time doing any kind of POV like shooting with the GoPro. So we're using the GoPro Hero 10 black. I'm not sure if there's a black version, but that's what we're using. So just waiting for the sun to go down, but yeah, I think we got some decent shots so far. I'm gonna take the same angle again, but different lighting. I don't know if I want to do overhead like this or what, but definitely think the rear end came together nicely. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be taking more photos here. I'll take a detail shot of the RD valance. Also like detail shots like this. Something a little different than what I'm used to doing. I usually never shoot this angle or anything, so. Maybe shoot one like this with the old BMW Motorsports emblem. Might be able to get a shot of the steering wheel as well. Just because we're going to be changing out the steering wheel here soon, so might as well. Alright guys, so that's probably just going to be the end of this episode. Really is not changing too much out here, so we're just going to go ahead and end it here. This, like I said, is my first time doing a POV shooting video, like you saw in the intro clip. So yeah. Cars back here. So yeah, if you guys are interested in following me on Instagram, I'll leave that link down below. I try to focus on shooting other things besides my own car on this channel. By the way, we're shooting on the G95, so it might not be the best when it comes to the autofocus, but like I said, we are basically just focused on other cars on this channel, but I wanted to do the first video of my own car, since obviously it's my own car and I don't have to worry about setting up a time with people or anything like that. So just kind of waiting for the scenery to change a little bit. But yeah, if you guys do like the video and you guys did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to sub. Like I said, it's a new channel. This is my third channel actually, but I wanted to start a little bit different things going on with the YouTube content, so I wanted to start this old channel. So I have a few videos on the channel, nothing too crazy, so if you guys want to check those out, you guys can do that. If you guys want to follow this E30 specifically, I have that on my main channel. I do a build on it, so if you guys are interested into that, then you know you can definitely follow me on that. But like I said, this is just going to be an intro to doing POV videos. I probably will be doing another one here this weekend when I go to shoot the videos for the front valance and stuff like that, the front and the rear valance. And then I'm also going to do a probably another shoot of my friend's Turbo Evo or Evo 8. So if you guys are interested in that, might be putting that content out here pretty soon. And I might do another one with my other friend's or not E30, it's like an E90. So if you guys are into car photography, that's obviously what I focus on mainly on this channel, but I do other things as well, because I try to you know, expand out doing stuff like short films. So that's kind of like the point of this channel. But yeah, car looks pretty good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the shots. Like I said, I'm probably just gonna wait for the sky to change a little bit from what it is now, and then maybe I'll do like a second part, but not really sure. Depends how the sky changes here in a second. Then I might go find a new location inside of here to kind of, you know, show it off or whatever. So but yeah, so yeah, be sure to check out my main channel if you guys are interested in this E30 specifically. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching the video. Peace.